How do you clean a squirrel after skinning? If you have ever wondered how to clean a squirrel after skinning, you are in the right place. This process is essential for ensuring the meat is ready for cooking or freezing. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to skin the squirrel. Start by making a small cut near the base of the tail or hind legs. Grasp the skin firmly by the hind legs or tail and pull it off over the head. You can use your hands or a small knife to help start the cut. Pull slowly to avoid tearing the meat. The goal is to remove the skin in one piece to keep the meat clean. Once the skin is off, it is time to remove the head and feet. Use kitchen shears or a sharp knife for this. Cut off the head and feet, which are usually discarded or can be saved for other uses like feeding pets. Next, you will want to clean the meat's surface. After skinning, check for any remaining hair or dirt. Hair can stick to the meat, making it hard to remove later. Carefully pick off any stray hairs. Rinse the meat under cold running water to wash away dirt and blood. Remember to keep your hands clean to avoid contaminating the meat. Now let's talk about eviscerating, which means removing the internal organs. Make a careful incision along the belly from the chest to the anus. Be cautious not to puncture the intestines or stomach, as this can cause contamination. Use your fingers or a knife to pull out the internal organs, including the intestines, heart, lungs, and liver. If you like, you can keep the liver and heart for cooking. After removing all entrails, rinse the cavity thoroughly with cold water. After cleaning, you can cut the squirrel into smaller pieces for cooking. Typically, the legs and backstrap are separated for frying or other preparations. This makes handling and cooking easier. Finally, handle and store the cleaned squirrel meat properly. Keep it cold and clean. If you are not cooking it right away, place it in a sealed container or plastic bag and refrigerate or freeze it promptly to maintain freshness. Here are some practical tips to keep in mind. Clean squirrels as soon as possible after the kill. This makes skinning easier and reduces spoilage. Always use a clean, sharp knife or kitchen shears for safety and precision. Work slowly to avoid tearing the meat, which helps preserve its quality. If you are cleaning in the field, keep your work area clean to avoid contaminating the meat. Bringing squirrels home for cleaning allows better access to running water and a controlled environment. Following these steps will ensure your squirrel is properly cleaned after skinning, ready for cooking or freezing while maintaining the best quality from your hunt.